Welcome to the Math Record. This video will be the second part of the ICTM Regional 2016 Division AA Junior Senior 8%, which I'll be covering questions 17 and 20. Okay, 17. Determine the numerical coefficient of the sixth term of 3m minus 2 to the power 7th when expanded and completely simplified in decreasing degrees of m. So since our degree measure is to the power of 7, so our degree is to the power of 7, that means our 7 is our power. So if we're looking for the sixth coefficient for m, it'll be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So our sixth one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'll be our m to the power of 2, m to the power of 2, basically. So if it's m to the power of 2, that means the n. So 7 minus 2 is 5, so that means n is the power of 5. So we need to find the coefficient of this term, which is all you have to do is just take the degree measure, which is 7, and then you do a combination, and then you choose one of these numbers. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to choose 2. Multiply by 3 to the power of 2, and then you're going to multiply by, and then the coefficient, which of n is negative 2, and then you do the same coefficient for this n, which is the power of 5. And then basically just do some math. So 7 factorial over 2 factorial over 5 factorial, and that's why it doesn't matter if it's 2 or 5 because it's going to be the same thing either way, times 3 is 9, and then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 4, 16, 32, so negative 32. So this is 7 times 6 divided by 2, which is just 7 times 3, which is 21. So it's going to be 21 times 9 times negative 32. Since we can't use a calculator, we have to do this all by hand. So 9 times 21 is 189 times 32. So this is 18, and then 1, 16, and 17, so 2 and 3. Put 0, and then 3 times 9 is 27, and then put a 2, that's 24, plus 2 is 26, and then 24, and then 2 is 26, and then 3, and then there's a 2. So that makes a 5. Okay, so you add them together, so that's 8, 14, 1, so that's a 10, so that's 6. And then remember there's a negative, so you put a negative here. So your answer is 6,000, negative 6,048. Okay, and that's basically all you had to do. And then number 20. Let x squared plus y squared equals 6xy. Determine the value of x plus y over x minus y. So I'll have x plus y squared. So then this gives us x squared plus y squared, right? This, but we also have an extra plus 2xy. So we have to minus that minus 2xy, which gives us x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 6xy. And then we could do the same thing with x minus y squared, which is x squared plus y squared, but we have an extra minus 2xy, so we have to add that 2xy, and that gives us our 6xy also still. So now if we want to get our x plus y, that is just 6xy plus 2xy, which is 8xy, and then take the square root of that. And then x minus y, we do the same thing. So 6xy minus 2xy, which is 4xy, and then take the square root of that. So our x plus y divided by our x minus y is just square root 8xy divided by square root 4xy. So then the x and y's cancel each other out. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then take the square root of that. So it's just square root 2. So our answer for 20 is square root 2. And that basically covers the entire junior senior 8% 2016 Division A regionals. Thanks for watching, and now see you at the next math record.